Let's talk about biopunk science fiction. Biopunk is a unique subgenre of science fiction that focuses on biotechnological advancements and the societal implications they bring. It presents a world where genetic manipulation, bioengineering, and synthetic biology not only reshape humanity, but also challenge ethical boundaries. Imagine a future where our DNA can be altered at will. This is the captivating and often unsettling realm of biopunk. Biopunk has evolved significantly over the years. Initially emerging in the works of authors like Bruce Sterling and William Gibson, it represented a darker reflection on biotechnologies compared to its cyberpunk predecessors. Today, biopunk narratives explore complex topics, including genetic engineering, human augmentation, and environmental sustainability. I remember reading Dead Inside by A.L. Kessler, which perfectly illustrates how biopunk challenges our understanding of identity and morality. The genre's evolution is a testament to our rapidly advancing technology and the myriad stories waiting to be told. Diving deeper into biopunk, one encounters the fantastic yet alarming potentials of genetic engineering. This technology allows us to modify organisms at the DNA level, raising questions about ethical boundaries and personal identity. I recall reading about CRISPR technology and how it could one day enable anyone to customize traits. The implications are enormous. Next up is synthetic biology, which creates new biological parts and systems. Unlike traditional genetic engineering, this field aims to design and construct entirely new forms of life. Consider these exciting applications: creating bacteria that can produce biofuels and developing synthetic food sources. For me, it evokes thoughts of hope and concern. How far can we go without losing sight of nature itself? Last but not least, human augmentation takes the biopunk concept to another level. Imagine integrating technology directly into our biology to enhance abilities, whether physical or cognitive. From bionic limbs to enhanced intelligence, the innovations are astounding. I recently explored a biopunk novel where characters meld with machines, showcasing the intersection of humanity and technology in a thrilling narrative. This brings us closer to understanding what it means to be human in our evolving world. As we explore the innovations in biopunk, we can't ignore the ethical implications tied to them. Many narratives present dystopian futures where biotechnology exacerbates social divides. I often think of films such as Gattaca, where genetic discrimination creates a stark class structure. Such visions force us to consider who gets access to these technologies and at what cost. Then there's the fascinating yet controversial world of biohacking and DIY biology. Hobbyists and citizen scientists are taking matters into their own hands, sometimes pushing ethical boundaries. For example, I once stumbled upon a community online where participants were attempting to genetically modify yeast for personal projects. While innovative, such actions raise significant concerns about safety and ethics. Finally, we face regulatory challenges as these technologies advance. Governments struggle to create policies that balance innovation with public safety. Questions arise, such as, how do we regulate genetic editing? Who should oversee biohacking activities? Reflecting on these challenges reminds me of the powerful responsibility we bear as we venture into this brave new world of biotechnology. It's essential to maintain an ongoing dialogue about these issues as we move forward. Transitioning from ethical debates to tangible innovations, biopunk concepts are becoming realities in medicine. One remarkable application is bioprinting, where printing technologies create living tissues and organs. I remember reading about a breakthrough where researchers successfully printed a miniature heart. Imagine the potential to solve organ shortages and save lives, revolutionizing transplant procedures. Furthermore, neural interfaces represent another exciting frontier in biopunk technology. These devices link human brains with computers, enhancing communication or controlling prosthetics. I once met a researcher working on a neural interface for individuals with disabilities, allowing them to manipulate devices using just their thoughts. The possibilities seem endless, from restoring motor functions to boosting cognitive abilities. Finally, as biopunk blurs the line between biology and technology, bioinformatics plays a critical role. It involves analyzing biological data using advanced computational tools. However, the surge in data brings forth significant privacy concerns. Striking a balance between data use for innovation and protecting individual privacy remains a talking point among scientists and ethicists alike. Navigating these intricate landscapes is essential as we venture deeper into biotechnological advancements. Reflecting on these challenges reminds me of the powerful responsibility we bear as we venture into this brave new world of biotechnology. It's essential to maintain an ongoing dialogue about these issues as we move forward.